Moshe goes to Pharaoh with Hashem's mission.
Let my people go.
We know what happens next. Pharaoh does not soften. He hardens. He removes the straw and demands the same quota of bricks. The first visible result of Moshe's mission is not freedom, it's more suffering. Torah says, the officers confront Moshe and Aharon. May Hashem look upon you and judge, because you have made our smell foul in the eyes of Pharaoh and his servants, to put a sword in their hand to kill us. According to the classic identification brought by Rashi, the people standing against Moshe here are Datan and Aviram. Notice the language. It is the same theme as the first encounter. Moshe's actions bring suffering. Moshe's words bring danger. Moshe's intervention gives Pharaoh a sword. We must be careful. From the Torah's perspective, Moshe is right. Hashem sent him. But from Datan and Aviram's emotional perspective, their case is building. First, Moshe kills the Egyptians through speech. Then, Moshe's speech makes Jewish suffering worse. They are watching Geula begin in a way that looks on the surface like catastrophe. This is where their later opposition becomes more understandable, even if still wrong. They are not simply saying, we hate Moshe. They're saying, every time Moshe acts, Jews suffer more. Moshe himself has a version of this question. At the end of Shemot, chapter 5, Moshe turns to Hashem and says, why have you done evil to these people? Why did you send me? Moshe is not numb. Moshe also sees pain. But Moshe takes the question upward to Hashem. Datan and Aviram take the same pain sideways into accusation against Moshe. This difference may be one of the most important Musar points in the whole series. The same question can become tefillah or machloket. The question is not only what hurts you, the question is where you take the hurt. Datan and Aviram's core accusation begins early. Moshe's redemption is dangerous. The tragedy is that they turn a real question about suffering into a campaign against Moshe. But their accusation becomes much more powerful after one terrifying midrashic idea. During the plague of darkness, most of Israel did not leave Egypt. Let's get into that in our next video.